how ways you can win a free proper account. Now, if you don't know, if you've never watched my last video, make sure you watch it here. I was able to win a free proper account. Yep. I was able to win a free proper account from Funding Peeps. Now, I guess you don't know, Funding Peeps are one of the best in the industry, but we're not here to praise them or kiss their ass, which are already are. So, how can you get free proper accounts? Now, there are a lot of ways. Like, one of the ways I've seen, is sometimes when all these pro firm are doing their giveaways or like when they're doing their psychology videos or YouTube videos, so they're talking with their traders. Usually, not all, but most times they're gonna be like, oh, the most active person is gonna win a giveaway account. Sometimes beforehand they inform in their Discord server that they're gonna give you an account. So yeah, that's one way you could watch the live streams. You could be an active contributor to the live streams. Two, another way is to check their Discord server regularly. They could have like a simple task, or maybe the CEO or COO, like for funding periods, the CEO is always entering the server in and out, the paid house lounge, and sometimes the general lounge. Now for funded next, they do a community contributors, whereby if you contribute to the community, they give you an account. So basically it just means you have to be an active member, and it's not really hard. You could solve some queries, some that you're already familiar with. You can solve for people. You can chat with like-minded traders. You can get to know one or two things. This was through my time in these Discord servers I knew about, FX Blue and Magic Keys, which are really game changers for me. Then you can also learn more about their guidelines, their rules. Because when you become an active community member, to be honest, if you become a really active community member, it's very hard for you to break a rule because of it. You're always there, you're gonna read the rule and whatnot. So yeah, that's another way to get a free account. The third way is to watch out for when they are going on they're doing a competition. Like Funny Creatures just had this early competition. I don't know if Funded Next has something like that. They have that community contributors competition. So you can look out for when they have a contest like that. I feel like each pro firm may have that once in a while. So you can look out for that, try and make sure you win it, get XP and whatnot and make sure you win. Now, another way is Funding Groups actually have something they call the main competition and bulk competition. You could try and win $50 from there and use to purchase a proper account. You can purchase a 5K proper account from that. They do pay. If you win the main competition or you win the vlog competition, like I say, all you just have to do is join their servers. Like ask them, oh, in front of you, after I need the main competition, I can't even do blog competition more because are always there to help you. Now, the fourth way will be to watch out for all these new pro firms. All these newer pro firms are always doing giveaway. Now, these days, they do give away for playing games like poker, Call of Duty, and chess. You could just, check on Twitter for a new pro firm, something with a small community. A small community to me will be anything less than 10K, 10K on Discord, let's just say, and if you following on X and on Instagram, let's just say less than 5K or let's say less than 10K on there too. So you can join the Discord server or follow them on X and Instagram, actively just turn on the post notification for them so that whenever they post, can interact quickly because to be honest, I knew pro firm they were giving giveaways so that traders can get funded, they pay out and spread the ministry of their pro firm. That's actually one of the easiest is to target new pro firms and try and win a giveaway based on when they're doing a giveaway because of all those bigger pro firms competition a lot more based on older people and whatnot, but it is what it is. Then also another way to get another free proper account, the sixth way will be to go online on X and watch out for all these people that are doing partnership. Yeah, there's some people if you see that bio on X, you should see like the logo of the company. Now this is mostly for big companies like Funding Next, Funding Peeps, Berry good funded trader, let's just say Berry Funded. I don't really know that big. I've seen some of that partnership. Now this people sometimes they do giveaways based on I don't know how exactly they want to give away the management and whatnot, but they do give away. So you can actively follow them when they do that giveaway. Normally they will be like, oh right, or like a post on X and tag three of your friends or something like that. So that's another way to do it, just get like a few ex friends on your Twitter and whatnot so that you can use the opportunity to get a free prop account. I know it's hard always constantly buying and losing an account, and sometimes as traders, let's just say even those of us that got funded and receive the payouts, we don't receive a payout with intention or want to like buy the account. Some do that, some receive that payout and use the money to solve that problem. Like me, for instance, if I get a payout, I don't really say, "Oh, I want to buy another account." I use the money to solve a problem because I both have financial needs, and then let's say along the line something happened, Trump spoke and he lost the account, so you need a new account. You can participate in all this giveaways, or you could, yeah, you participate in all these giveaways, or if that's not the case scenario, you could just participate to make sure you win a free account. No, those are the ways you can win a free account. Join, like I said, join that Discord server, most especially join that Discord server, turn on the notification so that if like the CEO is talking, or if um if there was a competition, it actively see it. Yeah. Also, if you want to buy an account and you want 5% off on your first purchase, check the link in my bio. There's a 5% off link in my bio for funding peeps, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh, may the peeps be with you.